Welcome back to Instables. Everyone, to the market very choppy today, although we had a major bounce going to extended hours. I'm going to go over the S&P 500 with you guys. We started off the day with a major breakout with ZEV from pre-market news in the Instables room, and then midday we had a major breakout with KAVL. Again, if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout like that again. And then we had earnings going to extended hours with Amazon, Pinterest, and Snapchat. Had positive earnings, and that is exactly what gave us this bounce in the market. Now, what exactly is it going to take for us to have this continuation on this bounce in the market, or are we going to continue on down on that dead cat bounce that a lot of bears are looking to see if we are going to continue on down from? Again, the third wave is exactly what everybody's talking about. Are we going to continue on into newer lows, or are we going to continue on with this bounce? And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button, and if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, nobody cares as much as I do to get these major breakouts in front of you. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Most breakouts have been pre-market news in the open. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout like today again. So let's jump into this one.
Hey buddy, did you see the Amazon? The Amazon and the Snap? The Snap is gonna blow. Oh, the Snap is down. Oh, the Snap is gonna blow. Oh yeah!
So I'm going to go over the S&P 500 with you guys here on the daily time frame. And again, we had a major pullback going to extended hours. We had a major bounce as Amazon, Snapchat, and Pinterest had positive earnings. Are we going to continue on with this bounce? And what are we looking for to make sure we do not continue on down in the market? Now, before I get started, again, I do welcome you to the Instables room in the description below. Nobody cares as much as I to get these major breakouts in front of you. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout like today again. So as you guys can see here on the daily time frame, again, we had a major pullback leading into Jerome Powell, dropped down all the way down to our 422 level that we did mention, and sure enough had a major bounce in the market. Now we were looking to see if we can continue. Again, we are now sitting above our 200-day moving average. A lot of people thought we were going to continue on down in the market because we were sitting below our 200-day moving average leading into Jerome Powell last week. But as you guys can see, we did have a bounce. Now we are sitting on a doji candle that does show us indecisiveness, looking to see if we can either continue on up or continue on down. Now ultimately what we're looking for here to make sure we do not continue on with the dead cat bounce here is to make sure we can hold this 200-day moving average. Again, if we cannot hold this 200-day moving average, which is exactly where our 443 level is that we did mention previously, that if we did break above, then we would be testing 450, and sure enough we did. But we did close over 450 when Amazon, Snapchat, and Pinterest had positive earnings. Now making sure we do continue on with the momentum will be very key. As you guys can see, previously we had a major pullback, and as you guys can see, we had a lot of sell volume, and as you guys can see, we started to get this bounce back when we started to have a continuation on buy volume, and that is exactly what we're looking for here. As you guys can see, we have a lot of sell volume, looking to see if we can continue on with a lot of buy volume here to continue on with momentum. Again, looking to see if we can hold over 450, and then continuing past 460 would be very nice. So going into tomorrow, we will be looking to see if we can hold 443 and hold this 200 moving average to make sure we do not continue on with the dead cat bounce, especially after positive earnings with Amazon, Snapchat, and Pinterest. We definitely don't want to see a continuation down in the market. We want to see at least somewhat of a bounce after positive earnings. Now, the reason why a lot of people anticipate a possible dead cat bounce is because we did drop down below our previous consolidation. We did wick to the downside and dropped below it. So we are looking to see if we are going to continue on down, or if we are going to continue on with this bounce, retest and get that clean breakout that we're looking for in the market to continue on up like we have seen previously on multiple pullbacks. Now, again, with that said, if you do want to see all of these market updates or pre-market news before market open every single day, any halts worth looking at throughout the day, or any major breakout alerts worth looking at throughout the day, again, nobody cares as much as I do to get these major breakouts in front of you. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert again. And all of you instables that have been supporting the channel, all of you instables that have been coming over from the room and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. Seriously, I appreciate every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help others find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.